In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in Asana in less than 5 minutes. If you're someone who often finds themselves doing repetitive tasks, or if you're managing a team and need to streamline the workflow, task templates in Asana might just be your best friend. Not only do they save time, but they also ensure consistency across all your projects. So let's dive right in and make your task management more efficient and effective. First things first, you need to open the project in Asana where you want to create a task template. Once you have your project dashboard open, you'll notice a Customize button located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to unlock a menu of options specific to customizing your project. This menu is designed to help you tailor the project environment to suit your needs, and one of the standout features here is the ability to create task templates. Now let's focus on how to create your task template. Under the Task Templates section, you'll see an option labeled Plus Add Template. Clicking on this will open up a new window where you can start setting up the details of your template. Here, you can add all the essential elements that make up your task. Think about including relevant subtasks that are often part of the main task. This is also the perfect opportunity to determine who the assignee would be, essentially pre-assigning the person responsible for this task in the future. Furthermore, if there are any specific due dates that typically accompany this type of task, it's wise to set them up now so that every time this template is used, those dates automatically populate. This setup can be crucial for maintaining timelines and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And here comes the best part, reusability. Once you've created and set up your task template, using it is a breeze. Whenever you need to add a task that fits the template you've established, all you need to do is click on Task Templates within your project and select your newly created template from the list. This action will instantly populate all the details you set earlier, allowing you to effortlessly add a structured and predefined task to your project. This step ensures that your workflow remains seamless and that each team member knows exactly what to do without having to reinvent the wheel every time a similar task arises. By following these steps, you've just simplified one of the most repetitive parts of project management. Task templates in Asana are a powerful feature that can drastically improve the way you handle your projects, making you not only efficient but also consistent in your task management approach. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started. Be sure to leverage this nifty tool to its fullest and watch how it transforms your productivity. Happy organizing!